Personalisation is the future. I think there's so much ahead for us as fulfillers, as suppliers, as vendors that people really engage with.
With personalisation, you have a niche, and that niche can be highly profitable because you're adding a lot of value.
Customization is very important to this field. We need this.
All of the technologies here, everything from the beginning of the fabric to cutting to printing to a final product that you can actually sell to a customer is fantastic.
It's just absolutely brilliant, isn't it?
Yeah,
Absolutely loving it,
well.
loving it. Just getting a lot from it, seeing all the different manufacturers and the suppliers, new technology that's coming through. And we take all that back to Australia and we make the print industry bigger and better.
We've come here to learn and engage and take on that information. As a result, we've come away with 2 takeaways that we're going to put into our sales process.
The conference was incredible. It was really engaging. There were lots of different speakers talking about different areas of personalisation, customisation. I mean, I personally got a lot out of it.
I would absolutely recommend it. You can find in every sector what you want.
It's a must in the industry.
We would like to come back next year.